Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. Senate backs Adhoc Committee for National Security Summit. ESSC boss assures Edo athletes of government support. Portable calls out bank over alleged kidnap attempt. And now full detail of the news. The Senate has resolved to establish an ad hoc committee tasked with organizing a two-day national security summit in Abuja. The summit is expected to include federal, state, and local governments, as well as traditional institutions and stakeholders in the sector to develop viable solutions to the country's persistent insecurity challenges. Key features of the planned summit are expected to include the participation of delegates from the federal government, all 36 state governments, and local government councils. They include traditional rulers and community leaders to ensure grassroots perspectives focused on emerging threats, intelligence sharing, and community-based security models, and drafting a national security action document to guide legislative and operational reforms. The National Association of Polytechnic Students has issued a 5-day ultimatum to the Nigerian Education Loan Fund Board to provide a detailed breakdown of fund disbursements. The student loan scheme has come under intense scrutiny following the allegations by the National Orientation Agency that some institutions, in collaboration with banks, have been making fraudulent deductions from student loan disbursements. Last week, the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission said its preliminary probe revealed that while NELFUND had released 100 billion naira as student loans, 71 billion naira is accounted for. In a communique issued on Wednesday, which was signed by the President, Oshifune Ohagyan, and Senate President Oyewumi Ayomide, NAF said it would mobilize protests nationwide should the NELFUND fail to reveal breakdown of how polytechnics received funds. The Medical and Dental Consultants Association of Nigeria, Association of Hospital and Administrative Pharmacists of Nigeria, and Nigeria Union of Allied Health Professionals have joined the Association of Resident Doctors, Federal Capital Territory to shut down hospitals in Abuja. The unions disclosed this in a joint press conference on Tuesday at Wuse District Hospital, Abuja. Recall the Association of Resident Doctors (SCTA) declared a 3-day warning strike starting from Tuesday over the sacking of 127 health workers by the Civil Service Commission (FCT). Speaking on the shutdown, the Secretary of MADCAN, Dr. Aderonke Akande, lamented that health workers in FCT are being treated unfairly, justifying the civil action. According to her, it is inhuman for the FCT Civil Service Commission to sack health workers without due process and diligence. And on the international scene, a divided U.S. Supreme Court on Tuesday allowed President Donald Trump's ban on transgender military personnel to take effect while litigation plays out, putting thousands of troops at risk of dismissal. The ruling, which the court's 3 liberal justices opposed, is a significant victory for Trump, who has made rolling back transgenders' rights a major part of his second term in office and has rallied against judges who block part of his agenda. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt hailed the ruling as another massive victory in the Supreme Court, saying in a post on X that Trump and Pentagon Chief Pete Hegseth are restoring a military that is focused on readiness and lethality, not DEI or woke gender ideology. And now we dive into the world of sports. The executive chairman of the Edo State Sports Commission, Amadine Enebulele, assured the state athletes of Governor Monday Okpebholo support. According to Enebulele media aide Wilson Eduko, on Monday, the ESSC boss gave the assurance when he visited various sports training venues at the Samuel Egbemudia Stadium in Benin. where camping activities are ongoing in preparation for the 22nd National Sports Festival in Ogun State from May 16th to 30th. The ESSC chairman hailed Ekpebolos as a true game changer in the development of sports in Nigeria. He said the governor has mandated the commission to identify and nurture raw talents from across the local government areas in the state. Up next is the entertainment news. Controversial Nigerian singer Portable has called out First Bank over alleged kidnap attempts. Portable, who made the claim in a viral video on his Instagram page, explained that he nearly got kidnapped during his visit to one of the bank's branches. While accusing the bank of tracking him, the singer, who is known for his dramatic outbursts, stated that his only offense was demanding an explanation on why his account was locked by the bank. Narrating his experience with the bank in a now-deleted clip, Portable denied involvement in any fraudulent activities, claiming that the alleged 400 billion in his account is for his business. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Unibio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, you can follow us on our unified social media handle at Procyon RTV. To get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.